In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a vision board in Milanote. Vision boards are powerful tools to help you visualize your goals and dreams, and using Milanote, a flexible online platform, makes this process even more dynamic and engaging. So, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable, and let's dive into the creative process. To get started, once you're in your Milanote workspace, the first step is to create a new board. This board will be your dedicated space for all the inspiration and motivation you need to achieve your aspirations. Think of it as your personal canvas, a place where you can map out the future you envision for yourself. It's simple. Just look for the option to create a new board at the top of your dashboard. Next, you'll want to choose the vision board template. Milanote offers this helpful template to get you started on the right foot. By selecting this template, you're being handed a blueprint designed with placeholders for images, quotes, and goals, all of which are essential elements of a vision board. This will save you time and allow you to focus more on curating content that truly resonates with your personal journey. One of the fantastic features of a digital platform like Milanote is the ability to include dynamic content. Unlike traditional paper vision boards, Milanote allows you to incorporate elements that go beyond static images. Consider adding video links, perhaps a short clip of your favorite city, a place you dream of visiting or living in. This adds an exciting visual dimension and emotionally connects you to those dreams. Animated GIFs are another engaging option to consider. Maybe it's a GIF that represents a hobby you wish to pursue or symbolizes an emotion you want to cultivate more in your life. These elements can add a sense of motion to your board, making it feel as lively and vibrant as the future you are striving for. Don't forget about using the color swatch feature. It's a subtle yet powerful way to establish the mood or palette you want to incorporate into your life. Whether you're striving for calm pastels to evoke serenity or bold, bright colors to inspire enthusiasm, color can significantly impact how your vision board feels and, consequently, how it makes you feel about your goals. As you populate your board, let your creativity and intuition take the lead. There's no right or wrong way to create a vision board. It's all about what feels authentic and inspiring to you. By combining these dynamic elements within Milanote, you're not just visualizing your future, you're bringing it to life in a uniquely personal and motivational way. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to create a vision board in Milanote. I hope this guide inspires you to create a vision board that not only captures your dreams, but actively motivates you to achieve them. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy envisioning.